Have you ever felt like you were born into a battle you didn't choose? A daily fight just to survive, where your world was shaped by what you lacked, not what you had. My story starts there, in a house of poverty, where hunger wasn't just for food, but for love, for understanding, for a way out. They call me Future, and this is the story of how I turned despair into clarity. Life was my compass, and survival was my only direction. But in 2016, my world shattered. A brutal accident broke my leg, my tibia and fibula. I lost friends, I lost my bearings, and I found myself alone in a hospital bed, fighting a new kind of battle, the one inside my own mind. After I recovered, I tried to build a normal life. I became a teacher, but my small salary was gone before it even landed. I moved towns with just 5 dresses and a single spoon. It wasn't enough. For 3 years I felt trapped. I did things I'm not proud of just to get by, falling into a cycle of sleepless nights, addiction, and broken relationships. I hit rock bottom. I had no money, no data, no hope. But in that darkness, I learned something powerful. I learned to let go of hate. I learned to listen to the silence. And in 2022, I pivoted. I stopped chasing trends and started following my soul. I dove deep into psychology. I wrote nearly 20 novels, and I started sharing motivational messages. I slowly, piece by piece, built a blueprint, not for fame or for money, but for a legacy, a blueprint for clarity. This is more than just my story. It's a cinematic course, a movie of my life built to give you a roadmap out of your own darkness. It's called The Blueprint Part 1, The Fire Before Focus. It's a 4-act journey that will teach you the psychology of survival, how to recover from trauma, and how to build a life of purpose even when you have nothing. This isn't just a course you watch, it's an experience you live. We'll walk through my story from the house of forms where hunger shaped me to the accident that broke and remade me, through the long winter of survival, and finally to the creation of the blueprint. You'll get practical steps, workbook exercises, and the real psychological strategies I used to reclaim my life. I want to share this with you. Sign up now and you'll get the Clarity Magnet Workbook, plus free access to the first act of the course. It's time to stop surviving and start building your legacy. Click the link in the description to begin. This is your chance to find the fire before the focus. Let's build your blueprint together.